The dirt bike helmet real quick and some gloves. And we could buzz this thing around the island here. Seems like she's fixed. Brake could be a little bit better. I'll have to bleed it some more, I think. I knew that was coming probably. I mean, it's not bad. It's getting better. Wow, it feels better now. Yeah, it's definitely not sticking yet. There, nice and stop. Yeah. It made the selection out on its own. Yeah, see there? She just rolls. Wow. Before it was like you had to brake on all the time. Check a couple more things on her, make sure everything else is good. It should be. Everything was good until this happened. Nice. Cost me $170 to fix her. Not bad. For a caliper, Articat wanted like $700, and you can't get the hose from them. All right, cool beans. See ya.